Oh yeah. Come here, baby boy.
Currently, we have roughly 24 wolf dog combinations with different levels of content of wolf, and that puts their adoptability into a different range. I'm Kim Capes, the director of In Harmony with Nature Animal Haven in Orlando, Florida. We're here to help wolves and wolf dogs, as well as other critters, when they find themselves in a need for a home, for rehabilitation or sanctuary. We are so excited about the event today. Big Dog has come through on an awesome contest, and we are the winners, with Konti's help, to receive BigDog Mower's 42-inch Alpha, as well as an awesome check for $5,000. Our boy Konti is one of the most amazing wolf dogs that we own. He is a rescue animal, and he lives with his sister Pakwa at our facility. He loves his belly rubs, and the picture we won with Konti shows just his playful character and what part of how we have grown to love him. So this machine is going to be put to good use, and we're around tons of live oak trees. So just your everyday riding mower isn't going to cut it. This zero clearance is just going to be fantastic to help make the upkeep and maintenance of our property in tip-top shape. And we are just over the moon with honor and gratitude for what we've been given today. It's immeasurable what these animals give back to you when you're willing to come out and give to them.